Hey, I wasn't expecting you here right now, but the first time I opened the HP 17 laptop, I actually paused before doing anything else. Not because it's shiny, it feels right the second you start using it. Before you go any deeper, take a moment to check the current price and stock. Laptops this capable don't stay stable in price and availability for long, and hesitation is exactly how people end up paying more later or missing out. This isn't for someone who's okay with slow load times, laggy apps, or a machine that makes you feel like you're waiting instead of doing. This is for the person who feels when performance dips just a bit, those tiny lags, the hesitation switching between tasks, or moments when multitasking feels like too much. I used to accept that pretty good was enough, until I started using this. The moment everything just worked smoothly, apps opening instantly, switching between work and entertainment without a beat, and files loading fast, that relief hit differently. Once you live with that level of responsiveness, anything weaker starts to feel like something you used to settle for. In real use, this laptop handles everything that matters. Daily productivity feels fluid, spreadsheets, documents, browsers and tabs all coexist without hesitation. Heavy work sessions feel confident instead of sluggish. And when you're streaming videos, the touchscreen makes navigating feel natural instead of clunky. It's not about raw numbers on a spec sheet anymore, it's about the feeling of speed, flow, and reliability every time you sit down to work or unwind. Take another look at the current price and availability while you're thinking this through. Waiting for a better deal is exactly how people miss out or watch prices climb without realizing it. If you're hesitating at all, that's just your brain comparing this to laptops you're used to. But once you've lived with responsive multitasking and fluid everyday use, everything else starts to feel like something you once accepted, not something you want. One surprise I didn't expect was how natural long work sessions felt, not slower, not strained, just smooth from start to finish. You feel every app open instantly, tasks switch fluidly, and sure, multitasking feels confident and smooth. Everyday use feels effortless and fast. It makes slower laptops feel dated. It's absolutely a performance jump you'll notice lesser gear daily. At some point, you stop cycling through comparisons and choose what already feels right in your gut. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay and then regret every time you sit down and think, I wish this felt smoother. Check the current price and make the choice that matches how you actually want your laptop experience to feel.